Hello, everybody. Happy May. We are finally into May. The weather is finally consistently warm. We can almost feel summer on our heels, and we have 2 more weeks of online learning. So that's where we are. And I just wanted to take a second to thank you all for just your diligence and your perseverance during this time. I know schedule has looked different. Your lives have all been radically changed, and you all did so wonderful at persevering and trying to make learning still an important part of your day. So, as we start to wrap up, I just encourage you to end strong and be present during schoolwork so that you can really absorb and retain as much as you can, because then it will be summer. So I wanted to just go over this week for you. So this is going to be our wrap up for our research project. So last week was the final. Last week you were working on your project. This week you are now going to present your project via Flipgrid. You are going to watch some of your students' projects and see their presentation and learn from them and fill out a reflection form. And then you're going to be doing your own personal reflection. Okay, so let's look at the calendar and go over this really fast. Okay, so Monday, you are not presenting on Flipgrid yet. Monday, you're going to watch the screencast and then look over some tips and practice presenting. There's, a lesson for you to watch by Mr. Graham, and then some presentation tips and some speaking tips. And you're going to watch all of that and then practice presenting as if you were in front of, your camera and going through your project. So you're probably like, oh my gosh, I don't know how to do that. There is, there's a how to screencast. So screencast is what I'm doing right now. And you can do that via Flipgrid. You can share your computer screen. So that way, if you did a PowerPoint or a website, you can go through it on Flipgrid. So you need to watch that video in order to learn how to do that. So do that first. Maybe you want to do that Monday, but again, you're just preparing to present your project on Flipgrid. Then Wednesday, you're going to go back through and watch 3 to 5 projects that your classmates did on Flipgrid. And you are then going to complete a peer reflection form back on Google Classroom. You're going to turn that in on Google Classroom. Then Thursday and Friday is the same thing. So this screencast video is the same. And you are going to be doing a overall learning reflection. The screencast walks you through how to do that. The learning reflection will be on Google Classroom, so go there and turn it in there. Some of y'all have still not been turning in I see that you did you did the assignment, but you didn't turn it in. So just try to make sure you turn it in. That way I can give you feedback and stuff. Okay? So that's this week. It's, just presenting, watching some other of our classmates' projects and learning from them. You all did so amazing, and you should share it with one another, and you should be proud of yourselves, and you should learn from one another. I so badly wish we were in the classroom and we could hear from everybody and see what they learned, but unfortunately, we can't, and so this is the best way we can do it. If everyone participates and is engaged, we can try to make the classroom come to us the best we can using Flipgrid. So one more thing I wanted to point out, on Tuesday when you go to record your Flipgrid, the link to access the Flipgrid is on Google Classroom. Okay? So the link to access the Flipgrid is on Google Classroom. You'll have to go to Google Classroom, click on the link, and then you can record. Okay? So that will be this week, and then we are done with our research project. And I just, I looked over a lot of yours over the weekend, and they look incredible. I have learned so much from you guys, so that was super fun for me. And I hope the reflection on Thursday and Friday helps you kind of reflect on your topic a little bit more and get a new passion for something, possibly. So yeah. So that is all I have for you. I am again so proud of you guys for everything you've accomplished during this online learning time. And as I'm wrapping up, I'm so sad that you all won't be my students again, and just want to enjoy the rest of these 2 weeks as much as we can. Okay, have a wonderful week. I am here for you. If you need anything, be on the lookout for any Google Hangout sessions. I will post that on Google Classroom. So have a wonderful week. Bye, everybody.